How's it going, everybody? Today at the Auto Connect, we have a 2014 Audi Q7. It's a Premium Plus, just serviced, 109,000 miles on it. Outside's really clean, inside is clean. Really no body damage. So this one here is pretty loaded up. Leather nav, backup camera, blind spot assist, third row. As you can see here, it does need a set of tires, so the price at what it's at right now will come with a set of 4 brand new tires. And if you want to buy your own tires, the price is negotiable, so I'm kind of leaving it up to customers to see if they want tires or not, to pick their own. But you see it got the big panel roof. Interior of this thing is really clean. It's like the seats haven't even been satin, so even the front seats don't really show wear. As you can see, really good condition. Go ahead and start her up. Has 110,017 miles on it. So it just hit 110. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for checking out our video. If you have any repair needs for your Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicles, definitely give us a shout. Thanks for checking us out.